Hey everyone, this is Craig Shallahamer. Welcome to OraPub and all my OraPub tools. So the big question is this: how are performance-focused Oracle DBAs like us, who don't cheat by relying on mind-numbing GUIs or prostituting ourselves at low wages, who are spending our own money and vacation time, how do we beat bots, AI, machine learning, and autonomous anything? That is the question. And an OraPub membership is your answer. My name is Craig Shallahamer, and welcome to your future. I do a lot of research, and the research kind of fuels all of the rest of the work that I do with OraPub. And usually part of that research is I get to develop some really cool tools. And I think that's really powerful because for me, when I get to repeatedly kind of push a button and see what happens, I learn a lot about the topic. And since OraPub is all about empowering performance-focused Oracle DBAs, it just makes sense for me to post the tools. So that's what I do. So I hope you enjoy them. Please download them and have a great time. I wish you guys all the best in your Oracle performance tuning work, and I hope you really enjoy the tools.